Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is in one ear and out the other. The phrase in one ear and out the other means someone hears information but does not remember it or pay attention to it. It is used when a person listens to something but quickly forgets it or ignores it. In one ear, the person hears the information. Out the other, the information leaves their mind just as quickly as they heard it. So this phrase is often used when someone does not listen carefully or does not take advice seriously. Okay, so here are some example sentences. I told my little brother to clean his room, but it went in one ear and out the other. The teacher explained the homework, but for some students, it was in one ear and out the other. I gave him great advice about saving money, but it went in one ear and out the other. He spent everything in one day. So use this in any conversation, any setting. You might have a kid who doesn't listen, and you say, everything I said went in one ear and out the other. You might have a friend you're giving advice to, and they're not listening, and you tell them, everything I just said went in one ear and out the other. So give it a try. Try to listen to it, listen for it when you're watching movies or TV, and practice. I hope to see you guys soon. Please like and subscribe.